gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Huawei unveiled its flagship Pura 90 Pro Max last month, and for many people, the first thing that immediately grabs attention is its eye-catching orange sea color option. That actually fits perfectly with the Pura series' stylish and fashion-focused identity. Huawei has experimented with different color designs before, but today's smartphone market is much more competitive. With brands constantly pushing the limits of hardware and software, good looks alone aren't enough anymore. A flagship phone also needs serious substance. That's exactly why this boldly designed device packs features like a massive megapixel telephoto camera, X-MAGE selfie technology, 3D dynamic photos, AI-powered pose suggestions, a variable aperture main camera, and second-generation macro imaging. It also includes the Telephoto extender developed in collaboration with a partner brand. In fact, the reason this video took a little longer to make is because we wanted extra time to test its photography and video performance. We wanted to find out whether the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, with its powerful telephoto system and X-MAGE selfie features, could truly deliver on its promises. After spending some time with it, we can confidently say that it absolutely shows its strengths.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before diving into the camera performance, let's talk about that orange sea color, because I already know what most of you are thinking the moment you see this phone. The color has sparked plenty of discussion online, but after seeing the actual device in person, we found it looks lighter and more refined than it does in renders and promotional videos. The gradient transition is smoother, and the frame carries the same visual effect as the back panel, creating a unified look that feels surprisingly premium. Personally, I haven't seen another smartphone execute this kind of design consistency quite like this. When placed next to other flagship camera phones, the differences in both appearance and size become immediately obvious. Of course, whether you love the orange sea finish comes down to personal preference. Some people see it as fresh, innovative, and beautiful, while others may prefer something more traditional. Thankfully, Huawei offers several color choices for the Pura 90 Pro Max. If orange sea isn't your style, there's also sunset purple, along with classic options like dawn gold and keystone black. There's always another choice available. That said, let's be honest, most people buy a phone like this for its camera capabilities. Beneath that attractive exterior is the imaging excellence that the Pura series has built its reputation on. We'll be showing comparison samples later, and we'll also take a closer look at the 100-megapixel telephoto camera. Its RYYB sensor delivers excellent performance, and the 20x video zoom is seriously impressive, which we'll demonstrate shortly. However, for the majority of everyday users, even people with little photography experience, I think the most exciting upgrade this time is actually the X-MAGE selfie camera. Those of us who enjoy photography often think we don't need any AI assistance. We like to believe our own judgment is enough. But Huawei clearly designed this feature with everyday users in mind. The goal is simple: help anyone take better photos even if they have no photography skills at all. The concept is straightforward. Follow the phone's guidance, tap the shutter button, and let the system do the work. The X-MAGE selfie camera can recognize the scene automatically and intelligently recommend the best shooting style and settings. You simply point the camera and wait for it to adjust itself. Depending on the environment, it can even suggest different color styles that match the scene. What really surprised me is its ability to recommend poses. Imagine a friend or partner taking your picture while you awkwardly standing there not knowing what to do. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max can analyze the scene and suggest poses that are more likely to produce a great photo. To me, that's a genuine example of technology making life easier. A smartphone that can guide you into a better pose for photos feels like a surprisingly useful innovation. Another standout feature is 3D dynamic photos. You've probably seen those bullet time style images before. The effect looks incredibly impressive. Traditionally, creating that kind of shot requires a lot of equipment, effort, and time, making it difficult for most people to achieve on their own. Huawei has simplified the entire process. With just one tap, the phone can transform eligible photos into 3D dynamic images. When a photo meets the requirements, a generation icon appears automatically, and you can create the effect instantly. Based on our testing, as long as the subject stands out clearly, the 3D dynamic photo feature usually works without any issues. Honestly, the resulting animations look surprisingly realistic. They may not quite match the quality produced by expensive professional setups using dozens of cameras, but considering that everything is being generated directly on a smartphone, the results are more than good enough for everyday sharing on social media. Now let's move on to the hardware side, which is always a favorite topic. The new second-generation red rainbow imaging system comes standard, and color reproduction remains excellent. No matter what subject or color you photograph, the results stay accurate and balanced. Combined with Huawei's default color tuning, the overall image quality is already very impressive straight out of the camera. One feature I especially want to highlight is the 10-stop variable aperture. Huawei remains one of the few manufacturers still committed to this technology. Some people may see it as more of a marketing feature, but I genuinely believe variable aperture continues to offer practical advantages in real-world photography.
Take a simple example that many people have pointed out before. When you're quickly snapping photos of books, notes, or documents, many smartphones with large apertures tend to blur the text around the edges. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max handles this much better, producing images that remain sharp and clear across the frame. That's why I still think variable aperture technology has real value. It manages to give users what seems like an impossible combination, a wide depth of field along with crisp edge detail. Another area where Huawei continues to stand out is telephoto macro photography. This has always been one of Huawei's strongest specialties, largely because the focusing distance can get incredibly close. If your hobbies or work involve macro photography, especially things like gardening or observing small creatures, this phone is an excellent companion. Since not everyone enjoys looking at insects, we'll stick to examples involving fabrics and material fibers. Even with those samples, you can clearly see just how impressive the macro capabilities are. Now it's time for the star of the show. Huawei has seriously upgraded the camera system this generation by equipping the Pura 90 Pro Max with a huge 200-megapixel telephoto lens. Some people might immediately wonder why a 200-megapixel telephoto lens is still being treated as something special when we've already seen many of them. The difference here is that it isn't just another 200-megapixel telephoto camera. Huawei's RYYB 200-megapixel telephoto setup is in a category of its own. This is the first time I've seen a telephoto sensor of this size, measuring 1/1.28 inches. That's remarkably large for a 200-megapixel telephoto camera. Pair that with Huawei's exclusive RYYB technology, and light gathering becomes a major advantage. Combined with Huawei's image processing algorithms, even shooting birds at 20 times zoom becomes surprisingly manageable. But the advantages go beyond low-light performance. The Pura 90 Pro Max also introduces chip-level 200-megapixel raw domain real-time processing technology. The name may sound complicated, but the important thing is what it does. It allows telephoto video footage to remain impressively clear even when zoomed in. Normally, when shooting video, I rarely go beyond 10 times zoom on most 200-megapixel telephoto phones because image quality starts to suffer. But with Huawei's implementation, 20 times zoom footage looks noticeably cleaner and more usable. Even without attaching a teleconverter, capturing distant subjects is easier than expected. Speaking of teleconverters, Huawei has also introduced a teleconverter photography kit developed alongside its AI assistant ecosystem. Once attached, the default focal length extends all the way to 324 millimeters. The use cases are pretty obvious, but we still decided to put it through the paces at a live concert. The resulting photos were impressively sharp, and what stood out most was the color accuracy, which closely matched the atmosphere and lighting of the actual performance. Huawei has also put considerable thought into audio recording during video capture.
Rather than completely eliminating crowd noise, the system preserves the energy of the environment while still keeping the main audio source clear and distinct. It creates a more natural recording experience. During testing, we also noticed something interesting. At first glance, it's easy to think this is simply another smartphone equipped with a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, but after spending time with it, you realize that Huawei has integrated a collection of unique technologies, including RYYB sensors and advanced image processing algorithms that make a real difference. Low-light photography improves, and high-magnification video recording remains significantly clearer. I suspect part of that improvement comes from the upgraded Kirin 9030S processor. This chip appears to have been specifically optimized for imaging performance. Whether it's the NPU's enhanced image recognition abilities, the AI ISP's stronger color processing capabilities, or improvements to telephoto video clarity and stabilization, everything feels noticeably more advanced than the previous generation. That's a big reason why the Pura 90 Pro Max delivers such a substantial leap in imaging quality. Now that we've spent so much time discussing the cameras, it's fair to say the Pura 90 Pro Max once again demonstrates Huawei's strengths in mobile photography. It also highlights how stable and mature Huawei's supply chain has become for these key imaging components, placing it among the top players in China. Since we've already mentioned the processor, there's another question worth asking. If imaging performance is this strong, what about gaming? To find out, we fired up our favorite testing title, Genshin Impact. Running the game at maximum settings for 30 minutes, the phone maintained a steady 60 frames per second with surprising ease. At the launch event, Huawei also talked about the HarmonyOS version of Genshin Impact, which had recently gone through public testing, so naturally we had to try that as well. With graphics settings maxed out, exploring the open world felt smooth and responsive, with no noticeable stutters or lag. Honestly, it worked better than expected. Before wrapping up, there are a few additional details from our 2 weeks of usage that are worth mentioning. One of them is the built-in borderless light theme. By simply long pressing on the lock screen, the wallpaper transforms into a dynamic frosted glass effect that changes in real time based on your environment. It almost feels like Huawei is offering their own interpretation of a transparent smartphone. While it doesn't necessarily add practical functionality, it creates a unique visual experience that's genuinely enjoyable. Another standout feature is the anti-reflective and scratch-resistant Kunlun glass used on the Pura 90 Pro Max. Beyond making outdoor viewing clearer, it has accompanied us everywhere during the past 2 weeks of testing as we traveled around taking photos whenever opportunities appeared. I'll be honest, I'm not particularly gentle with my phones. Yet, after all this time, the display remains completely free of scratches. Some people might argue that 2 weeks isn't enough time to judge durability, but many of us have had phones pick up scratches and small dents after just a weekend without a screen protector. When you're constantly switching between multiple devices, it becomes a real annoyance. I've even purchased special tools just for applying screen protectors. That's why, if I had to choose, I'd gladly take the Pura 90 Pro Max, a phone that's naturally resistant to scratches and doesn't constantly make you worry about screen protection, is simply more enjoyable to use every day. So that wraps up our experience after roughly half a month with the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. Overall, it fully earns its reputation as a flagship imaging smartphone. Its overall hardware package stands shoulder to shoulder with other ultra-class devices. On the hardware side, you get the massive 200-megapixel telephoto camera, variable aperture system, red peak imaging technology, and telephoto expansion capabilities. On the software side, Huawei delivers X-MAGE selfie features, 3D dynamic photos, and major algorithm improvements. Whether you're filming food content, photographing wildlife, or capturing live concerts, the phone performs exceptionally well. Edge detection is excellent, zoom stabilization is impressive, and even live photo color reproduction remains highly accurate. What's even more attractive is the pricing. Despite rising storage costs across the industry, Huawei has managed to keep pricing competitive. In fact, models with equivalent storage capacities are roughly 500 to 1,000 yuan less than some competing devices, making the Pura 90 Pro Max a very tempting option. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video.
What do you think about the imaging capabilities of the Pura series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and live chat section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.